y'all, man? We back with another video, man. How y'all doing? If y'all doing great today. You know what I'm saying? Today we got 13 most unsettling things captured on doorbell cameras that would creep you. We finna get into it, man. See what happens, man. I don't know, man. Doorbell cameras, man. You gonna get some crazy stuff. Get into it, though, man. See what happens. Doorbell cameras. Doorbell cameras. What the world?
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Midnight Scare.
What is that? Ain't no way you caught it on your doorbell camera.
The scary and weirdest things happening in your neighborhood. Let's begin. Number 13. In this video, a man is trespassing and attempting to open doors. He was scarcely able to walk straight when he attempted to unlock an apartment door.
That would be weird.
Number 12.
Try getting in.
This disturbing doorbell video includes clear evidence of ghosts.
I don't see nothing, bro. I don't see nothing. I'm confused. Man, this is on troll, bro.
Number
it wasn't even. Man, Alright now, boy. That wasn't nothing, boy. That wasn't nothing, boy.
In the middle of the night,
I ain't seen nothing, bro.
Person's doorbell camera
clickbait,
captured some truly brilliant shooting stars.
I don't see. I'm finna say, boy. Oh, whatever.
Number 10.
According I ain't lie, somebody clearly reaching, but he reaching.
Has come onto my
you never know.
For the 4th morning in a row, putting what I assume are poison bags of cat food on my grass. Feeders for the other Brunson Avenue cat owners. Please inspect your yard. This woman arrives at 5:45 a.m. in a white SUV with tinted windows.
What's the point of you?
The ring alert.
What's the point of that?
Number 9.
Poisoning a cat.
A porch pirate is apprehended after 2 cops react to a cry for assistance.
Hey, bro. That's 2 females? No. So he tried to steal something from somebody's doorbell.
This video depicts a shooting that was captured on camera, with the culprit fleeing the scene immediately.
What? I ain't even see what happened. All I heard was somebody went to screaming and something. Wait, what was it? Was it them right there that's walking? Or am I tripping? Man, if you can't show the clip, oh, jump.
7. Number 7.
You need to show what happened, man. I ain't like this whoever YouTube channel this is, boy.
10 minutes on a
you got one more time, bro.
This occurred at 3:50 a.m.
3:50 in the morning. Stupid ass. But like Denzel Washington, boy, what the world? Like, what are you doing? Like, I'm just sitting there. $3:50 in the morning. Like somebody just sitting on the doorstep. It's just weird. Couldn't be me. Skip this joint. He not doing nothing else.
Ring doorbell camera captured a frightening robbery.
Waste my time.
I got the car! Dang! Dang, I can't go! Go, go! 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 Go straight! Go! 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 Go!
What?
No!
Number 5.
But that man cannot hear you. He all in the car,
In this
but
video,
you wasting
a
your
man
time.
chases a child who is accused of throwing something at his house. The kid alleges it was thrown by a friend.
It wasn't me!
Oh, he on his that. That sound like something. That's bro. You can't even lie, bro. That sound like something that happened in a movie, bro. They need to make a movie on that. Like that would be a great ass movie, bro.
I swear! On my mom's life, it wasn't me! I swear, please!
Tell your friend you're back in my house. I have kids. Good.
I swear, Bobby!
I don't care if
I
it's
swear!
you were with him. You were with him. Do not come in my house.
I'm black.
Number 4.
Both in the
Friday,
torso.
August 20th, a TikToker posted this doorbell clip. This young
TikToker.
man in a blue hoodie approached my doorstep, claiming to be looking for his dog, and asked if I had seen him. He later broke into the back bedroom window and grabbed several designer handbags. Little does he realize, several neighbors have come forward with fresh and much clearer camera footage. The police have been notified, and DNA evidence has been left at the crime scene. Please keep an eye out for this individual and those like him.
He may act like he got like a dog on him. He got a dog or something. Man, here, budget. Man, crazy.
Okay, thank you. Appreciate it.
Okay, take care. Bye bye.
You hear that junk? Okay, take care of my man. That junk don't even sound right. You see, no, he in your back door, working in your back window.
Number 3. At 5:50 a.m., a suspicious man rings this person's doorbell and walks away. What could he have desired so early in the morning?
What be wrong with people? Like what is he doing? I just want to know like what be going through people's heads. Like what be in your brain? Like what makes you go do that? Like I don't know. It's all weird. Like what? I don't get it. Like what are you trying to do? Like what is your motive?
Number 2.
Never know,
A
man.
strange person on the front porch rings the doorbell and claims to have been shot in the middle of the night in this video.
What a bullet wound at? You talking about he got shot? He not even like hurt or nothing. Like what? I'm wasting my time, man. Hey man, wasting my time.
Number
Good to
1.
know, bro. This clip better be good, bro. Cause half of the clip wasn't even good, bro. Like,
Last Monday, the MPD released ring
he got
doorbell
a,
footage.
he got
of
a
suspects
stint
in
on that.
burglary in Castleton. Police are hoping for public assistance in identifying the suspects shown on the camera.
Why is the screen door open?
Check to see if it's on.
Dang, man.
Thanks for watching, and make sure you
Them
subscribe.
folk got right into that bit too. Hey, man. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. But half of the clip wasn't even like bad. Like I don't know, bro. Midnight Scare. This is my last video I'm reacting to on your channel, bro. Like, you was not. Step your game up, bro. Step your game up. Thank y'all for watching the video. See y'all tomorrow, man. We ain't on that.